everyone, my name is An Giang. Today I want to tell you the countryside how the people and cuisine feature. An Giang is the most destination because they have nature, people and history so various. An Giang nature is diverse and the tropical climate make use comfy. The people know my hometown by nickname Bảy Núi, especially An Giang is one of the most popular places for foreign Vietnam and foreign tourists. There are interesting núi cắm. It is so much. I travel to many places in An Giang and the people are so friendly, cute and kind. I have the best friend. We go everywhere together, explore everything and being close to nature. The weather is glorious all year and perfect living for people. If you come here, you don't sigh because the people in there are friendly and safe. An Giang is gorgeous and breathtaking. Make you like life in the country. I think you need taste and drink like mắm, hotspot, cà đốt, thốt nốt, cheddar. If that's not enough convince you, I think you need about a long history of An Giang. An Giang is the most become province in 1832. It is believed that An Giang was one an important center of the Venice of agriculture, reasonably owing to its position on the river. Traditionally, An Giang has been known for its silk industry and has many famous handicrafts. Let's explore those wonderful things. I think An Giang cuisine so variety and culture, nature, so original and peaceful landscape. So that An Giang will forever beautiful landscape.